iron group is by far our most complicated group that we provide an analysis on. So there are 8 different markers, maybe 9 different markers in our iron group. And there's kind of 2 splits into how you can think about what those markers look at. So the first group would be markers that are looking at your red blood cells. And those are ones that we get from a CBC, which is a complete blood count, which most physicians also provide in a yearly physical. And those RBC markers, your red blood cell markers, are really indicating if there's a uniform size, if there are enough red blood cells. They look at the components within that red blood cell. And that really is to give some information about if there's some sort of structural issue with the red blood cell that would in some way prohibit oxygen from being transported efficiently throughout the body. The other half of the red blood cell, or excuse me, of the iron group is really looking at iron. So how much iron your body has, if it is high or low, if it's being stored appropriately, being transported. So it's important if there's an issue primarily in ferritin, which is where we like to look first as kind of a first clue of whether or not your iron metabolism is working properly. If there's an issue there, then the other markers are really helpful to go deeper into and figure out exactly what's causing that issue with your body being able to absorb, store, and utilize iron.